Good morning, students. Now we are going to see the fourth topology, that is nothing but ring topology. So, how to establish a ring topology? By using Cisco packet tracer. In this class we are going to learn. So for this, first of all I am taking a switch. So one switch is connected. So maybe whether it is a PT switch or a normal switch also, no problem. So simply I am taking a normal switch. So this is the normal switch. So in this I want to take number of switches. So here, so this is for this, if you take this type of switch, for this there is no power button, so power option if you when you want to off or on. So that's why I'm going to take one more different type of switch, PT switch. So this one, and second thing I'm going to take one more and one more and one more. So maybe 4-5 switches, no problem. Okay, 5 also you can take. Okay, in a ring, arrange them in a ring manner. Okay, so now once this is done, directly you go to connections, directly you can connect. So automatically it will take. So whenever you use direct connections, it will take automatic connections. Already we know, so that thing. Okay, so this is automatic connection is established and everything is connected in a ring manner. So once this is done, directly go with some devices, some PC or laptop, anything. So some laptops I'm taking. Each device is connected with the laptop. To send the information and to configure it. So now once that is done, so just connect with the specified connections. I'm doing automatic connections right now because already I know what is meant by cross connection and what is meant by direct connection. That's why I'm doing automatic connection only to do fastly. So once this is done, so laptop 0. So click on the laptop 0 and configure desktop. So give the some name. So 192.168.1.10. Okay, so done. So for this I'm giving 192.168.1.10. Okay, so this one copy and paste, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. Okay, done. So this is not required. So once it is done, so maybe it is 20 or 30. So our wish. So it is 20. It is 30. It is 40. Then it is 50. Okay, now I gave like that. So same thing I want to give inside also. Config desktop config and 192.168.1.20. so here same thing. So 192.168.1.30. so done. Next to here 192.168.1.40. okay, done. So So this is 192.168.1.50. Okay. So once this is done, simply you just connect with all these terminals. So these are the connections we have. So after completion of this thing, so now I want to establish a communication. So I want to check this communication. So from here to here I want to send information. So that is successful. So but I want to off this thing. I want to off. So that is successful. Already ring topology is communicated, but now I am debugging. So whether if on one of the devices is off, what happened, like that I am checking right now. So this is off state. So once it is in off state, so you need to give some time to establish a proper connection between them. So if you do now, so delete. So one more thing here and here if I do. So in progress failed. So because the switch is connected in this way but not in this way. Okay, this switch is connected from here to here. So one way connection is there. So here it is showing there is no green colored thing. So to do such type of operation, so now it is established. The connection is established now. So just here and here. So successful. So you need to give some time, that one we called boot time, booting time, or the switch. For suppose this one also failed. So you hope this one also failed. So what happened? So the communication is failed in between these two things. Now there is no communication. So previously if one of the thing is gone, so then also only that is the loss. So remaining all are in the network. So but only in between them only there is a network right now. So if I on this thing, so you need to give some time. So what is the time? So here if you can check. So this is the configuration time. So it is loading with the device is still booting. Please wait until it is finished. So one done. So now it is booting completed, but not established the proper connection. So there is no proper connection yet. It is doing now. So here delete these two things. Just wait some time. So once you wait some time, automatically, so this will establish a connection between these two. So the system automatically establishes a connection between them. So they will show green color. Yes, now the system is working. So this way. So this boot up time is also required. That's why only network failures are occurred. When network failures are occurred, so must and should you need to wait some time for up to boot up at least. Okay, so from here to here, that is success. Okay, so if you want to simulate, you can, and you can see like this. So in that way the data is going. So in this way. So but I want to check one more thing, whether you are giving default gateway, what happened. Whenever I want to give a default gateway also, what happened. So in this I want to check. Okay, so in real time it is success. So delete the thing. So in all cases I want to give a default gateway. So what is the default gateway? So this is 192.168.2.1. maybe this is the default gateway for all of them. Control C. Okay, so here also. So here. Okay, then here. Okay, IP here, and here also I am giving IP and default gateway. So in this case what happens, see. So when I hit on this thing, so I am taking this one, and here and here. So how the successful, but I want to see in a real time. Okay, so that packet went and coming back in the same path. So this is the way how to successful. Now the thing is successful. Now there is some message is done by this thing. So that is in entire network it is going, but no one is going to take because it is not a authenticated message. So done. So now I am going to on this switch also. Okay. So this is the working of star topology. No, ring topology. Okay, ring. Stop it in real time. Thank you.